Guys, meron tayong biniling mga bagong epektos na naman. May binili tayong Black Panther na top box from SEC. Then, yung bracket niya. Yung bracket na to ay Q3. Ito yung ating ADV. Magdi-DIY tayo. Destroy it yourself. So guys, umuulan pala ngayon habang nagbibideo tayo. Makapal yung kanyang bakal. Tingin ko mga nasa 3mm siya. So kagandahan itong SEC Q3. Malaki yung metal na to, no? Kayang-kaya niyang buhatin yung mga mabibigat na top box and even kargado yung top box mo, kayang-kaya niya. Ito pala yung kanyang mga kasamang screw. Stainless material, stainless steel. So, mas mahaba to kasi nga, ang gagawin natin dito, ipapatong lang natin to eh. Tatanggalin natin tong stock na bracket. Then, ilalagay natin sa ilalim to. Then, tsaka natin ipapatong ulit to. So, kailangan natin tong wrench na to para matanggal natin yung stock na screw dito. So, gagamitan natin siya nitong 12mm. Nakabit lang natin dito. Dapat nakaganon dito yan. Para matanggal. Mahigpit ah. Ayan. So, madali lang naman to actually. Luwagan muna natin. So guys, natanggal na natin yung dalawang bracket. So, ito na guys. Ang nangyari ay nasa ilalim to. Then, nasa ibabaw yung original na top bracket. Okay, so nagpalit tayo ng tornilyo, yung stainless. Then, meron siya actually spacer. Hindi natin siya tinanggal. Then, dito may spacer din. Ayun, nahigpitan na natin. Ang problema lang, wala tayong torque wrench. Kaya tansyameter yung ginawa natin. Pero hopefully okay naman yung diin natin. Kasi ayoko na masyadong higpitan kasi baka pumutok dito. Nilagyan pala natin ng grasa. Ayan. Although stainless naman siya, pero para sure lang. Itong tornilyo, nilagyan din natin ng grasa. So far, ang struggle ko lang talaga ay yung amount of torque, no? Na i-assert natin kasi wala tayong torque wrench. So, tansya lang talaga yung ginawa natin. So, ang next step na natin ay, I think yung ilalim naman. Dun sa ilalim. Ito yung screw niya. So, dito pala guys, niluwagan natin ulit yung screw niya. Kasi, nung tinatry natin ilagay itong bracket sa ilalim, ay masyadong mahigpit, no? Pag isasalpak na natin dito. Meaning, kailangan may konting play muna para maisakto natin ito. So guys, ayan, naisalpak na natin itong bracket sa ilalim. Ang key lang talaga ay kailangan maluwag muna yung screw dito sa ibabaw, no? Iluwagan muna natin yan para may play siya. Problema ko, parang sumasayad to. So, ito yung issue ko. Tumatama siya. Mukhang magkakos siya ng problema. Okay, hanap tayo ng maliit na screw. Ang ginawa na lang natin guys ay tinighten natin muna to. Ayan, lapat na siya sa ilalim. Then, ito maluwag pa rin siya. No? Ang worry ko kasi baka masira tong part na to. Try mo natin higpitan to. Kasi tingin ko, once nahigpitan natin tong screw dito, medyo bubukan na to. Meron pala ako nakalimutan ipakita kanina. Ito mismo yung pagpapatungan ng top box. Yan. Yan, naisalpak na natin yung screw. So by the way, itong ilalim niya, kita nyo, meron siyang mga groove, no? Added na security para hindi malaglag yung top box. Guys, medyo madilim lang, no? Pero ito, na-install na natin yung bracket. Haha. Para daw pala to sa side pannier. Kung maglalagay ako ng side na bag, dito i-mount yun, yung bag. Kaya may added siyang support dito sa ilalim. Which makes a lot of sense na. Kasi kanina, naisip ko bakit kailangan palagyan dito sa ilalim. Yun pala yun, added support pala siya. Maybe in the future, pwede natin consider yun. Baka maglagay din tayo ng side na bag. Depende kung siguro sobrang layo ng pagkakampingan natin. Baka magdagdag tayo. Guys, tinry pala natin ipatong yung bag na binili natin na waterproof. Parang hindi ko na kailangan mag-top box. Then, advantage, may talian na tayo dito. Pero so far, halos ito na lahat yung dadalhin ko. Ito yung pang-camping na gamit. Then, yung personal na gamit ko, bala ko, ilagay na lang dito sa ilalim ng upuan. So, ito yung top box guys. Black Panther. So guys, quick walkthrough lang dito sa napili nating top box. Malambot yung sasandalan ng OBR. And then, may hawakan dito. Yung kabila. Then may mga butas pa naman dito. Pwedeng pagsuotan ng mga tali. So meron siyang dalawang lock. Stainless to. Ayun, so may button pala dito sa ilalim. And then yun. So ito na siya. So pwede natin paglagyan ng ORCR, I think. So dalawang slot. SEC motor supply. Leather din yung kanyang sides. Meron pa siyang sticker. Ito, reflector. Okay, buti na lang, may instruction. Kasi yung kanina, yung bracket, walang instruction. Meron pa palang kasamang ganito. Sticker na, matigas ah. Then yung susi. Dalawa. So ito, naisalpak na natin yung top box. Yan. Okay. So plenty of space here kung gusto nating ilagay yung bag. And kung may OBR, so may masasandalan siya. Pero parang gusto ko pa siyang iatras, no? Ang ganda. Tingnan.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.